Dogecoin price prediction. I want to make a price prediction right here because I made a video on Friday warning everyone about the dip, and the dip will not stop. We just have 141 mil tokens shorted just today, and the US trading starts in an hour. There's just way too much. It's just way too bad, and there's a few criteria that I want to start buying, and they're on the daily chart. So on the daily, I want to see view up, or view up plus MFI up. What does that mean? So when we go to the Heikin Ashi candles right here, you want to see this graphic curving up, and then you also want to see money flow curving up, and that's it. Shorts are still in control. We can see a massive amount of shorts on the 3 hour here. So yeah, I'm not bidding today, maybe tomorrow. This video is no financial advice. Love you with all my heart. Let me know your thoughts about Dogecoin. I'll make another one tomorrow. See you then.